Hello Alejo, how are you? Welcome to this video class of March 5th, Friday, right? Welcome. Hoy Alejo vamos a empezar corrigiendo la actividad que teníamos as homework for yesterday in the platform. So I'm going to be correcting here the activity with your partners. So I want you to see all the correct answers so you know en cuál te equivocaste, en cuál te fue bien, okay? So, complete the crossword. Here are all the answers. This is answers, so take a look. Era con base en las imágenes. Este es basketball, judo, windsurfing, volleyball, swimming, skateboarding, skiing. No, this is snowboarding, this is skiing, this is surfing, this is cycling, baseball, and bowling, right? So take a look. Point number 2. It's a little bit slow, this internet. So, complete the word with. ¿Cuáles iban con play y cuáles iban con go y cuáles iban con do? So, I'm going to show you here. Entonces ahí debías escribir play basketball. Bueno, escribir no. Tú tenías que dar clic. Entonces, por ejemplo, play baseball. So here, right? So play basketball, play baseball, play volleyball. Go surfing, go cycling, go skiing, go snowboarding, go swimming, go bowling, go skateboarding, go windsurfing, and do judo. Esta actividad ya la habíamos hecho una vez en clase, en virtual session con todos. Okay, so these are the answers. Number 3. Let's go to exercise number 3. It's a paragraph and you have to complete the paragraph. So, I love water sports, deportes de agua. I go swimming in the pool a lot, but I don't live near the ocean, so I don't go what or what. En el océano, ¿qué se puede hacer? Windsurfing, it's one of the activities, or surfing, right? Dice sí. I don't like snow, no me gusta la nieve, so I don't go snowboarding or skiing. I like sports you play with teams, deportes que se juegan en equipo. I like playing, so baseball, basketball, and volleyball. I just started doing judo. It's fun, but I'm not very good yet. I'm only a white belt. Entonces, ¿cómo sabemos que es judo? Porque hablamos de cinturón blanco. So here is judo. White belt. I got a new bike for my birthday, so now my favorite thing to do is go cycling. Si me regalan una bicicleta nueva, pues of course I will be doing a lot of cycling or going cycling. In the park with my friends. Sometimes I also go skateboarding en el parque. Y en los días lluviosos, on rainy days, I go bowling. So here are the answers you had to complete. So, in this one tenías que escribir oraciones con los deportes que te gustan, diciendo, utilizando boring, aburrido, dangerous, peligroso, difficult for me, difícil para mí, easy for me, fácil para mí, fun, divertido, or scary, miedoso. Entonces voy a buscar las tuyas. Alejandro. Skateboarding difficult for me and boring. Entonces aquí le faltó is. Skateboarding is difficult for me and boring. Swimming is funny and easy for me. Good. Judo can be dangerous and scary. Good, Alejo. Volleyball is a difficult sport for me, but I consider it fun. Very good, Alejo. Muy buenas oraciones. Only here you miss the is. Skateboarding is difficult for me and boring. Okay, this is all about the activity, about the homework. Now, today in class, we're going to talk, this is in the blog, a little bit about vocabulary related to clothing, clothes, ropa. Vamos a ver un nuevo vocabulario. So, you're going to pay attention here. A cap, a hoodie, a jacket, a skirt, a sweatshirt, que es como un busito manga larga, a t-shirt, una camiseta, a tracksuit, son estos trajes deportivos tipo sudadera y chaqueta delgadita, tracksuit, boots, jeans, que son literal, jean, the blue ones, pants, son pantalones de otro material, we have shorts, and we have socks. So you're going to take a look of this vocabulary, you're going to take some notes if you want. And Alejo, you're going to go to page 88 of your student's book. Page 88 of your student's book. Y vas a hacer el ejercicio número 4. Vas a pausar el video en este momento, vas a hacer el ejercicio 4, que consiste en que you're going to analyze each image of the clothing y vas a hacer un matching. Por ejemplo, aquí está, C is a cap. So you complete the rest. Pausa el video, completa y después vienes a la corrección. Here is like the checking. Vas a escuchar y vas a mirar si te quedó good or bad. Okay?
Page 88. Clothes. Exercise 4. Match the words with the pictures. Then listen and check your answers. 1.
C. A cap.
2. E. A hoodie. 3.
L. A jacket.
4. B. A skirt. 5.
H. A sweatshirt.
6. A. A t-shirt. 7.
I. A tracksuit.
8. K. Boots. 9.
D. Jeans.
10. F. Pants. 11.
J. Shorts.
12. G. Socks.
So there you have the answers, and I'm going to show you here again. Now, you're going to work on your student's book, workbook, page 60. And you're going to do exercise 1. Here, the words are in disorder, are disorganized. So, you're going to organize it. For example, look at here. S-T-T-A-R-C-K-I-U-T. Tracksuit, right? And you're going to do the same with the whole. In number 2, you're going to circle the words that don't belong. Por ejemplo, estamos hablando de jeans, pants, boots. Lo que no pertenece son boots. Sweatshirt and t-shirt. Socks. ¿Cuál no pertenece? Estamos hablando de cosas como camisetas, entonces que no pertenece. Las medias. Vamos a buscar el que doesn't belong. No pertenece. ¿Ok? Y vas a hacer el ejercicio 3 solamente. 4 no. 3. People usually don't wear in very hot weather. Entonces vas a leer cada oración. Por ejemplo, entonces, las personas usualmente no usan ¿qué en el clima caliente? Sweatshirts, sneakers, shorts. Jenna wears to play volleyball. Para jugar voleibol, ¿qué se usa? Jackets, shorts or boots. In the Olympics, runners wear before the race. ¿Qué usan en los Juegos Olímpicos antes de las carreras, antes de ponerse, de mostrar su uniforme para la pantalonetica que se ponen los corredores, los shorts que tienen puesto por encima? Mary wears to hike, para hacer hiking, skirt, boots or dress. En el invierno, I wear over my shirt. ¿Qué uso en el invierno? Cap, jacket or socks. Alejo, vas a hacer esto, le vas a tomar, el 4 no, vas a hacer esto, le vas a tomar una foto y lo vas a subir a la plataforma de inglés, donde siempre, y yo te voy a corregir este fin de semana, te voy a decir qué te quedó bueno, qué te quedó malo. Si tú tienes alguna duda, por favor me lo dejas saber. Here. Entonces aquí me lo dejas, ¿ok? Alejo, this is all. Thank you so much for your attention and see you. Bye bye.